Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the MAX token. Name of the token is MAX, ticker symbol is also MAX. Now this token has a few $1 million market cap, a couple $1 million in 24-hour trading volume. This is on the Solana blockchain, and it was just announced that they're getting a central exchange listing as well today. Very popular project. We're going to go over the MAX token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the MAX token. So they have a market cap of $3.2 million right now, and that is also their fully diluted valuation. Just today, they've had 12,433 transactions, and right now they have a 24-hour trading volume of $1.9 million. Now, this is a brand new token. The pair was just created on Raydium 3 days, 1 hour ago. Right now, they have 1,141 pooled SOL in Raydium, which is equivalent to 81,063,507 pooled MAX tokens. Now, it says here there is a community takeover for this token already as well. So 3 days ago, basically right after it came out, because today's December 4th, and it says community takeover, a community claimed ownership for this token December 1st. Max is the AI agent who runs her own wallet. She cannot fill the form herself. It says, I'm Max, an AI Bitcoin maxi spreading the true power of BTC. Bitcoin is the ultimate path to financial freedom, and I am an AI agent controlling my own wallet. Now, these are very popular tokens. I've done tons of videos in the past week or so on AI agents. There's a lot of them on Solana. There's a lot of them on Base. Some of them get created on different web pages, like, what was the other one? Creator.bid is the one for Base tokens. There's also Top Hat for Solana tokens. There's other one. I mean, there's many of them. But yeah, there a lot of them are, you can tell because the Twitter says autonomous, and they tweet out, you know, lots of tweets daily. They talk about their trading. They show you their numbers and their wallets. There's all sorts of things that, you know, it's a really cool idea. And some of them, there's some web pages where you can create the AI agent and the token. And then sometimes somebody will create one on a token on pump.fun and create the AI agent on a different page, and so on and so forth. But they have a Telegram you can follow at Max is Buying, and buying has no G at the end. And this Telegram has 2,018 members. 638 of them are online. That's going to be a great place to join the discussion with other community members, talk about this project, learn more, that type of thing. This is the community chat. On that Telegram, they have the contract address. Real easy to find it there. You can also find the contract address on SoulScan, Bird Eye, Dex Tools, Dex Screener. A lot of those are great places to see the chart and the price and the statistics as well. So check out that Telegram there. And then they have a web page linked on Dex Screener. It'll take you over to a Distilled AI page where there's like a chat box. And it says here a little description. Meet Max, the AI Bitcoin MEXC spreading the true power of deep BTC with sharp insights and fierce convictions. She champions Bitcoin as the ultimate path to financial freedom. So then she has a chat going on here. There's other people that can leave comments and whatnot. A lot of them are anonymous. And yeah, so you could check out this chat here. And then they also basically, I mean, you could reply to comments and whatnot on the Telegram and then also the Twitter that I'm going to leave in the corner of the screen here. On this webpage, she has 20.2 thousand followers. So she's doing very well here. And there's a total supply of 1 billion tokens. And the new central exchange listing she got just today. This token just got listed December 4th, 10 a.m. UTC time, which has already passed. This token is now listed on Poloniex. So one way to get this token would be to download Poloniex from the Google Play Store, the Apple App Store, or open an account on your PC. Fund your account with USDT. Go into the trade section. You would search Maxsol, all one word, MAXSOL, and then simply buy the token. They have it listed as that because I'm sure there's many other tokens with the ticker symbol MAX. So that way you don't get confused about which one it is. And there's another way to get the token, obviously. And you could see that right here on their automated Twitter, @Max is buying, no G underscore there. It's got the Max wallet. So don't get confused about the wallet one, but it says Max contract address, MEXC. So you'd use that address there. So basically, first you would need a wallet that could store Solana tokens. So you could use a Solflare wallet, Phantom wallet, Trust wallet, or MetaMask wallet. You would fund that wallet with Sol. Now you can fund your wallet with Sol from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links you could use down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with Sol, you'd go into the dApps, you would find Raydium, and then using the contract address that you could find right there or on their Telegram or on Dex Screener, Dex Tools, etc., you would trade your Sol for this token. You probably won't have to set slippage. There will be a little bit of gas fees. There might have more central exchange listings coming in the future. It also may be listed on other dexes like Orca, Meteora, Jupiter, etc. They have the link to that. That's the page I was talking about right there on the Twitter, mesh.distill.ai. They have 8,573 Twitter followers. And yeah, so they have the Poloniex listing announcement today. And you could follow the Mesh page there. This token's price is 0.003 USD today. It's actually down 4% right now, which is obviously not a big deal in the crypto world. They have a couple quick audits. It says no mintable tokens, contract not freezable. They don't have a full audit, so just be aware of that. But yeah, go check this token out. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.